Welcome to BRR Media. Today I'm joined by Jeremy Skillington, the Chief Executive Officer of Poolbeg. It's great to have you with us again, Jeremy.
Nice to see you, Rosie.
Now, you've signed yet another deal for an infectious disease asset. Tell us more about that.
Yes, Rosie, we've been hitting the ground running since our IPO back in July. So we've been building out our pipeline with both internal programs and external programs. We've just signed a deal with the University of Warwick to further develop their novel defective interfering virus, which is a disruptive treatment for respiratory virus infections. I think we're all familiar with one viral infection in particular, but I think what's interesting about this technology is that it's not virus specific. It has applications across multiple viruses like influenza and RSV and yes, potentially coronaviruses. So it's based on 20 years of work at the University of Warwick, very highly regarded virologists there. I think we believe it fits very well with the Poolbeg strategy, where we'll bring it in-house, we'll complete preclinical research and bring it into the clinic, and in a very cost-effective, efficient way, we'll get early human clinical data and then partner with pharma thereafter. So we've got a nice strategy in place and now we're executing that.
And Jeremy, tell us more about the terms of the deal and what they were.
Yeah, I mean, as I said, we're a capital light company. We always say that, so modest terms to bring it in-house. And again, we run it forward very cash efficiently. We've got a small but highly effective team here, so we don't have any fat to trim in the company. So we're very capital light and cost efficient. So yeah, so we'll move this forward rapidly to get that human proof of concept data in as cost effective way as possible. And
this product is at late preclinical stage. What does that actually mean?
Yeah, it's quite a robust preclinical package that the team have pulled together. They've brought this forward. They've completed some manufacturing, which is always a tricky part of drug development. So they've got a manufacturing process in place, and it's a stable product. And we just got to wrap up, get it into humans, do some safety studies first, and then get it into these human clinical, these viral challenge studies that, as you know, we spun out of Open Orphan. So our colleagues at hVIVO run these on a daily basis. So we've been talking to them at length about what a clinical trial would look like. So we think this is an optimal product to run through their viral challenge studies. So again, very complementary to our objectives and their expertise. So it's as I say, it's a nice efficacy has been demonstrated in preclinical studies. So now we've got to bring this into humans and prove it there as well.
So what's the ultimate plan for this asset?
Yeah, I mean, human clinical data as quickly as possible and partner with pharma. And we've said this from day one in our IPO that to monetize these assets, we'll have multiple shots on goal, multiple products. We'll bring these forward rapidly, and we have always have ongoing discussions with pharma because, as you know, with the COVID-19 pandemic, pharma have pivoted. They're starting to look at infectious disease assets again, and we want to fill their pipeline with products that we've developed early on. And then they take it forward and spend the big money on these late stage clinical trials. And of course, we'll structure deals where we'll benefit in the long run. So we'll bring fill their pipeline and we'll monetize our asset. We'll get significant upfronts in the deals that we'll make with pharma. And then, as I say, that'll be of benefit to Poolbeg and of course of benefit to our shareholders.
Well, Jeremy, another exciting announcement. Thank you very much for the update today.
Thank you, Rosie. Good to see you.